Hi! In front of me is OPPO A96 and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this OPPO. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Then choose Agree and Continue, tap on Allow in the pop-up and click on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, on the right one. Now you can delete your recording right away by tapping on this bin icon at the top left corner, or name it over here and save it by clicking on the check mark at the top right one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select bin icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!